controls all vehicle windows easily, enhances convenience, improves driver safety, and ensures smooth operation. Today's video is about top 5 best car driver side master power window switch that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Wuangki Car Master Power Window Switch. This driver-side power window master switch is designed for Honda Accord 2003 to 2007, CM5 2.4L and CM6 3.0L sedan models, offering a reliable replacement for multiple OEM part numbers. It is built as a plug-and-play solution with a 1 auto plus 23-pin connector, making installation straightforward for users with basic experience. One of its key advantages is improved convenience and functionality, allowing smooth control of all power windows directly from the driver's side. The automatic function is supported for the driver's window, so compatibility of the button layout and pin configuration should be carefully checked before purchase to ensure proper operation. Made from durable ABS material, the switch is resistant to wear and deformation, ensuring long-term performance. The green backlight adds visibility and a factory style dot. While compatibility is generally wide, some variants may require transferring the original chip module for full functionality. Overall, it is a practical, cost-effective replacement part that restores reliable window control for aging Honda Accord models. Now our second product is Fengind Car Master Power Window Switch. This master power window switch is a solid replacement option for a wide range of Chevrolet, GMC, and Cadillac models from the early 2000s, including Silverado, Sierra, Tahoe, Suburban, Yukon, and Escalade series. It is designed as a direct OEM-style replacement for multiple part numbers, ensuring broad compatibility and a factory-like fit and finish. Built with durable ABS and the switch offers strong resistance to daily wear, impact, and cracking, helping ensure long-lasting and stable performance. The construction quality supports smooth and reliable window control, making it a dependable upgrade for aging or faulty original switches. The design follows, allowing for easy installation with a precise fit on the front left driver's side. It features a black housing with white illumination for a clean, factory-style appearance. The multi-pin configuration ensures full functionality across supported vehicle systems. Backed by a 10-year support commitment, it offers strong after-sales assurance. Overall, it's a durable, well-designed replacement switch that restores convenience and reliability to your vehicle's window control system. Our third product is Mojtbe Car Master Power Window Switch. This driver-side power window switch is a practical replacement option for a wide range of Dodge Ram trucks, including 1500, 2500, and 3500 models from 2009 to 2012 and quad cab, crew cab, and mega cab variants. It is designed to match multiple OEM part numbers, ensuring broad compatibility when correctly verified. Built, the switch is made from durable ABS and PP plastic, offering strong resistance to impact and daily wear for long-lasting performance. Its construction helps maintain smooth and reliable window control, making it a solid fix for faulty or aging original switches. Installation is simple thanks to its plug-and-play 3-pin 9-pin connector design, allowing replacement within minutes without complex wiring or tools. However, users must carefully confirm OE numbers and pin configuration before purchase, as similar-looking versions may differ internally. Backed by a 365-day warranty, it provides added confidence and support. It's a durable, easy-to-install, and dependable replacement switch for compatible Ram truck owners. Now number 4, Yikesai Car Master Power Window Switch. This master power window switch is a reliable OEM-style replacement designed for Chrysler, Dodge, Ram, and Jeep vehicles, including popular models like Chrysler 200-300, Dodge Charger, Jeep Grand Cherokee, and Ram 1500 to 5500 series. It is built to replace the front left driver's side switch with an exact match in function and appearance, ensuring a factory-like fit inside the bezel. The switch features a blue illuminated light, giving the interior a clean and modern look while maintaining original control functionality. With a plug-and-play 3+8-pin connector, installation is straightforward and can be completed quickly without complex wiring. IT is compatible with, but buyers must carefully verify their original part number and vehicle model before purchasing due to variations across versions. This helps ensure proper fitment and function. Made to meet or exceed factory standards, the switch is designed for long-lasting performance and durability. Overall, it is a practical, easy-to-install replacement that restores smooth and reliable window control at a cost-effective price. And our last choice is Yaopei Car Master Power Window Switch. This driver-side master power window switch is a solid replacement option for a range of Dodge Ram trucks, including 1500, 2500, and 3500 models from 2009 to 2012. It is designed as a direct fit replacement for multiple OEM part numbers, offering reliable compatibility when matched correctly. Built from durable ABS and PP plastic, the switch provides strong resistance to heat, impact, and wear, ensuring long-term performance. It meets or exceeds OEM standards and is 100% tested before shipping, giving added confidence in quality and reliability. The unit features a green illuminated design and uses a 3-pin plus 9-pin terminal configuration, specifically for the left driver's side position. Installation is simple and plug-and-play, requiring only removal of the original switch and direct replacement. However, careful verification is essential, as different versions with similar appearance exist. Users must confirm OE numbers and pin layout before purchase to avoid mismatches. Overall, it's a durable, easy to install, and cost-effective solution for restoring proper window control functionality. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.